little Ruthie beef hunting me down. Got AJ. He's quarantined, so he's out here with my old phone. He's got the S9. Trying to find out what Dad's doing. I'm just battling with an old truck. Don't want to come apart. I got the oil leak all done, and the air compressor all back on, and got the antifreeze back in it. I got the heater valve done, and so that's all done. That stuff that I've been putting off for a couple months, it's done. So I just have the sway bar ends for the back axles and this drag link left, and this drag link was being the butthead.
Butthead.
And it's not wanting to cooperate. I got it loose with I don't know what this is. I think it's a 12-pound
sledgehammer.
But anyway, it's many pounds. This many pound sledgehammer, I beat on it and got it loose, but now the nut don't want to come off the shaft of the idler arm, or the, what you call it, not the idler arm, but the drag link.
So what's that down there, hanging down there?
That's what I'm talking about. It's a drag link. Drag link. So as soon as I get that off, then I can put the new one on. But like everything on this truck, it's always a battle. Nothing just wants to go along willingly. So you know, when you're ready to work on this truck, that you're in for a battle. No. So hopefully I didn't hurt it. So that's what's going on with me. What's going on with the YouTube world? Y'all just sitting around on your derrieres watching YouTube? Well, anywho, y'all have fun. This is Monday. Hope you're having a good week. God bless. Have lots of fun. And
later.